So I wonder, from your perspective, now looking outward, from what you've seen from your peers, from what's in the market, from your competitors, what do they do well? And where are the gaps still that need to be filled?
If we take, for example, Rihanna, 100 paper in the artificial intelligence right now, 95 of that paper are in computer vision. So that means that there is a humongous influx of the, correctly so, of the NVIDIA legacy. So in essence to say, everything is a convolution neural network to recognize a pixel. That's not physics AI, okay? That's analytics and filtering and so on, with all the respect, with great application of that, no question. So 95 of that 100 paper are in this subject. Unfortunately, that's not the one that are really defining really the equation and the model that drive a manufacturing process on automation equipment, either to perform a task or to make even electrical motor to consume less energy. If we arrive there, if we really progress on that one, that really we will have the true connection of what has been overwhelmingly, let's say, positioned in the industry falsely as digital twin. Instead, it was an augmented reality, because what we have right now is an augmented reality. It's a CAD model with a PLC attached or simulator. Again, it's a CAD model where I'm not solving my defects and my inefficiency with that, okay? Because there is no physics. It doesn't really describe the process. There is no learning. There are other advantages for sure, but not that one, okay? So that's the physics side that I'm talking about, the capacity, and that's what we're building, the capacity of the brain to synthesize the semantic that is, in this case, a combination of physical operator, okay, that really describe, again, the physics and the mathematics behind that particular process.
Max, I totally see your passion, and I'm very excited for you in the way that, in the direction that you're going. You've recently secured financing, $6 million seed extension to accelerate the deployment of Xaba's AI-powered robotics and cognitive industrial control systems. So what will this funding be used for?
So primarily for 3 points. So one, I'm going to increase the number of scientists inside to Xaba, because I want to accelerate, obviously, some of the development in terms of our roadmap to conquer and to consolidate the fact that I have to position Xaba as the foundational AI platform for automation, okay? And that's my mission. Two, to create awareness. And so I'm spending as well money to work with marketing company, advice, and so on, to educate as well the market about that. And so part of the money will be used in that way. The third point, it will be as well used to increase our apply robotic space, because one of the things that I learned is this one, Rihanna. Words are good, pictures are fantastic, video are great, but in the moment that you let the industry stakeholder to come to your lab, to your environment, and immerse them directly in the experience, that's a winning.